Hey everyone! Welcome back to your channel name. Today we're going to show you how to safely and securely install your flat-screen TV to the wall. Whether you're looking to save space or just want a sleek, modern look, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. Let's get started. Before we dive in, make sure you have the following tools ready: a stud finder, a level, a drill, screws, a measuring tape, a screwdriver, and a TV wall mount kit. All of these are essential for a smooth installation. Choose a spot where the TV will be at a comfortable eye level, typically about 42 inches from the floor, but this will depend on your room setup. Consider factors like the glare from windows, the distance from seating, and nearby power outlets for a clean installation. Next, you'll need to find the studs in your wall. Use a stud finder to locate two studs that will support the weight of your TV. It's important to mount your TV to the studs rather than just drywall to ensure safety and stability. Once you've located the studs, use a pencil to mark the spots where you'll be drilling. Measure carefully to make sure the mount is centered and level. Use a level to ensure your marks are straight. This will prevent the TV from tilting to one side once it's mounted. Now it's time to drill the holes for your wall mount. Use a drill bit that's the right size for the screws. Make sure you're drilling directly into the studs for maximum support. Next, attach the wall mount to the wall using the screws provided in your mount kit. Tighten them securely, but don't over-tighten. Now, we're going to attach the mounting brackets to the back of your TV. Every TV is different, but most mounts come with screws that fit the mounting holes on the back of your TV. Follow the instructions for your specific model. Once the brackets are in place, carefully lift the TV and hang it on the wall mount. This step is easier if you have a helper, but you can do it on your own with a bit of patience. Make sure everything is securely in place and that the TV is level. Finally, use any safety screws or locking mechanisms that came with your mount to secure the TV. Double-check that everything is tight and stable before letting go. If you want a sleek, cable-free look, consider using a cable management system to hide your wires. There are wall-mounted channels you can use, or you can opt for a more advanced solution like an in-wall power kit. And there you have it. Your TV is now securely mounted on the wall. It looks great, and you've saved space. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more home improvement tips. See you next time.